Today we're diving into the M3 MacBook Air, perfect for beginners. Whether you just unboxed it or are considering getting one, I'll guide you through everything you need to know to get started. Let's jump in. First, unbox. In the box, you'll find your MacBook Air, a charging cable, and the power adapter. Super simple. Now let's set it up. Open your MacBook Air and you'll see the Setup Assistant pop up. Choose your language, connect to Wi Fi, and sign in with your Apple ID. If you don't have one, don't worry, you can create it right here. After you've created your Apple ID, let's take a tour of the interface. The dock at the bottom holds your favorite apps. You can customize it by dragging apps in or out. The finder on the left helps you navigate files and folders. Don't forget the menu bar at the top. It gives you access to app menus, system preferences, and notifications. Now let's cover some basic function. To open an app, just click on it on the dock. If you want to search for something quickly, use Spotlight by pressing Command plus space. Type what you need and hit enter. If you need to take a screenshot, just press Command plus Shift plus 4, then drag to select the area you want to capture. The M3 MacBook Air has a fantastic trackpad. Here are some essential gestures. Tap with one finger. Right click is tap with two fingers, and to scroll use two fingers. Use two fingers to swipe up or down. And for mission control, swipe up with three fingers to see all your open windows. Now, to personalize your Mac, go to the Apple logo in the top left corner and select System Preferences. Here you can adjust display settings, keyboard shortcuts, and even your desktop wallpaper. To download new apps, open the App Store from the dock, browser search for your favorite apps, click Get on the price to download. Make sure to check for updates regularly to keep your apps running smoothly. Backing up your data is crucial. Use Time Machine to automatically back up your files. Connect an external drive, go to System Preferences, then Time Machine and turn it on. It's that simple. And there you have it, your complete beginner's guide to the M3 MacBook Air. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.